Hello students, I am Gurmeet Singh. Welcome to CREATA classes and also welcome to the fourth lecture of the probability series. Yes, this is the probability series and this is the fourth lecture. In this lecture, we will take down NCERT example question. For rest of the videos, for rest of the lecture, refer the link in the description. So without taking any further time, let's take down our next question. The question is, a box contains 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles. If the marbles is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be first white, second blue and third red? This question is having 3 parts. Pause the video and try to solve the question. Welcome back. Let's try to solve the question. Our first step, we will visualize the question. In the question, a box is given which is having 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles. A single marble is drawn at random from the box and we have to calculate the probability of whether the drawn marble is a white, in the second part blue and in the third part red. So this is the scenario. Let's take down the question. So let's calculate the probability. This is the formula. Firstly, let's see what are the total number of possible outcomes that we can draw. Here the box is having 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles. So if we take out a single marble, the total event or the total outcome that are possible are, we can take out the first blue marble, second blue and third blue. First white marble, the second white marble, the first, second, third and fourth red marbles. So we can take total 9 marbles out of the box. So we are having total 9 events, or we can say total 9 outcomes. So the number of possible outcomes, which is the denominator of the probability formula, will be 9. Okay. So for all the 3 cases, the denominator will be 9, that is total possible outcome. Let's take the first scenario in which we have to calculate the probability of white marble. Here we are having total 2 white marbles. So what is the favorable outcome of the white marble? We are having total 2 white marbles. So the favorable outcome is total 2. So in the numerator it will be 2. In the denominator we have calculated as 9. So the probability of getting the white marble is 2 by 9. Got it? Very simple. Similarly, in the second case, we have to calculate the probability of blue marbles. We are having total 3 blue marbles. So the favorable outcome to the blue marble is total 3 marbles. So in the numerator it will be 3, denominator it is 9. So the probability of blue marble is 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. Similarly, the red marble, we are having total 4 red marbles. So the favorable outcome for the red is 4, that is 4 marbles. In the numerator we got 4 and in the denominator it is already 9. So the probability of red marble is 4 by 9. Got it? White marble it is 2 by 9. Blue marble it is 1 by 3 and red marble it is 4 by 9. Let's check the observation that we have done in previous lecture. Let's add all the 3 cases. It should sum up to 1. So on adding all the 3 terms, we got the output as 1. Okay, we have used the observation that we have done in the theory part of the probability. We have done the question. Before moving to the next question, a question from my side to you. You have to reply the answer in the comment section. Let's check whether you are understanding the concept or not. You have to find the probability of not getting the white marble. Again, I am repeating the question. You have to calculate what is the probability of not getting the white marble. Use the fundamental we have used in the theory part and the observation part and write the answer in the comment section. I will personally check it and I will reply to that. Okay. Let's move to the next question. The question is, Harpreet tosses 2 different coins simultaneously. Say one is of rupees 1 and other of rupees 2. What is the probability that she gets at least one head? So this is the question, an important question. In this question we are having two coins. Till now we have done the coin cases in which we are having only single coin, we got head or tail. Here we are having two coins and we are tossing both of the coin. So our first step, we will observe and visualize the question. Harpreet is having two coins. One is rupees 1 coin and the second is rupees 2 coin. And Harpreet is tossing both the coins. So in the first coin, we will get two outputs, that is head and tail of the rupees 1 coin. In the second coin, that is rupees 2 coin, we will again get two outputs, that is head and tail. Let's denote the head of the first coin as H1 and tail of first coin as T1, and the head and tail of rupees 2 coin as H2 and T2, just for the simplification for easy understanding. In the question, we have to calculate the probability that she gets at least one head. First of all, let's check out what are the total number of possibilities that we can get out of tossing two coins. Suppose Harpreet tossed both the coin. In the first case, she got head in the first coin and also head in the second coin. So it will be H1, H2. The combination is H1, H2. We are getting head in both the cases. In the scenario 2, Harpreet is getting head in the first coin and tail in the second coin. In the third scenario, she is getting tail in the first coin and head in the second coin. In the third case, she is getting tail in the first and also tail in the second coin. So we can get total 4 scenarios or the 4 outputs by tossing the two coins. So the question is that we have to find the probability in which she gets at least one head. If you observe all the 4 scenarios, tell me in which scenarios we are getting at least one head. In the first scenario, we are getting two heads. Yes, that is, it is having the condition that is at least one head is matching. In the second scenario, we are getting one head. Yes, this condition is also matching. In the third scenario, again we are getting one head, that is our at least one head condition is matching. In the fourth scenario, we are getting two tails. So fourth scenario is not having any head. So our condition of at least one head is not matching in the fourth scenario. But our conditions are matching in the first 3 scenarios. So let's calculate the probability. This is the formula. In the denominator, we are having 4 scenarios. So all these 4 scenarios will come in the denominator. In the numerator, the favorable outcome in which we are having at least one head are only 3. That is first, second and third. The fourth scenario is not matching with our condition. So in the numerator, the 3 scenarios will come, that is 3. So our answer will be 3 by 4. Okay. Let's move to the next question. In a musical chair, a person playing the music has been advised to stop playing the music at any time within 2 minutes after she starts playing. What is the probability that the music will stop within the first half minute after starting? Pause the video, try to solve this question. This is a purely scenario based or the visualization based question. Pause the video and try to solve the question. Welcome back. Let's approach this question. Firstly, let's visualize the question. A musical chair game has been organized and a person is playing the music and he has been advised to stop the music within 2 minutes of the playing. So that person is having total zone of 2 minutes. So here is the 2 minute zone. Within this 2 minutes, the person have to stop playing the music so that game can be further continued. Okay. The question is that what is the probability that the music will stop within the first half minute after starting? So let's mark the half minute. So we have to calculate the probability of this half minute zone. The total duration of time is 2 minutes and we have to calculate the probability of half minute zone. Let's take the formula of probability. The total outcome is 2 minutes. Let's put in the denominator. And our favorable condition is only half minute. Let's put the half minute in the numerator. We got half in the numerator, 2 in the denominator. On solving, we got 1 by 4. So the probability is 1 by 4, that is 0.25, which is 25%. If you see this time graph, total duration is 2 minutes, half is at 1 minute, and at half minute it is 25%. By seeing the graphics only, you can just easily calculate the answer as 25% or 0.25 or 1 by 4. So it is always advisable to draw the graphics or visualize the question in your mind. It is really helpful. It will make you fast, also make you understand the concept in very easy way. Okay, so let's move to the next question. The question is, a missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region as shown in the figure. What is the probability that it crashed inside the lake shown in the figure? Again, a scenario or visualization based question. Pause the video and try to solve it. So welcome back. Let's observe the question. A helicopter is missing and it has been reported that it has been crashed somewhere in this rectangular region. The dimension of the rectangular region are also given. A lake is also given in the figure, that is in the rectangular region. We have to calculate what is the probability that the helicopter has crashed in this lake. So we can calculate the dimension of this lake. The dimension of the lake will be 9 minus 6, that is 3 kilometer length, and the width will be 4.5 minus 2, that is 2.5 kilometer. We got the dimension of the lake. We also got the dimension of the rectangular region in which the helicopter crash has been reported. So what will be the probability, how we will approach the question? Let's take out the formula of the probability. In the denominator, the total outcome will come. So the total outcome is the total region, which is the rectangular region, the big region. And in the numerator, our favorable region will come, the favorable condition will come, which is the lake. We know the dimension of the lake. We also know the dimension of the rectangular region. Let's calculate area of both the regions. The area of the lake will be 2.5 into 3, that is 7.5 kilometer square. And the area of the rectangular region will be 4.5 into 9, that is 40.5 kilometer square. Let's put the value and let's solve it. On solving, we got the answer as 5 by 27. So we have visualized the question and we have solved the question. On the numerator, our favorable condition or our favorable region will come. In the denominator, total output will come, that is the total rectangular region. So we have solved the question. Our answer is 5 by 27. Let's move to the next question. A carton consists of 100 shirts, of which 88 are good, 8 have minor defect and 4 have major defects. Jimmy, a trader, will only accept the shirts which are good, but Sujata, another trader, will only reject the shirts which have major defects. One shirt is drawn at random from the carton. What is the probability that first, it is accepted by Jimmy, second, it is accepted by Sujata? Again, read the question, reread the question, and try to visualize the question. The words are slightly tricky. Pause the video and try to solve the question. Here everything is in the words. Try to understand the words and try to solve the question. So welcome back. Let's approach the question. The question is having 100 shirts, out of which 88 shirts are in good condition and 8 is having minor defect and 4 shirts are having major defects. So 3 type of scenarios are given and 2 traders are given, Jimmy and Sujata. Both are came to take the shirts. Jimmy is having the condition, that is Jimmy will only accept the shirts which are good. It means that Jimmy will reject the shirts with minor defect and major defect. Jimmy will only choose these 88 good shirts. The second trader is also given, Sujata. The condition is that Sujata will only reject the shirts which have major defects. It means that Sujata will not accept the 4 major defected shirts, but she will accept the 88 good and 8 minor defected shirt. It means that Sujata will accept 88 plus 8, that is 96 shirts. Jimmy will only accept 88 shirt while Sujata will accept 96 shirt. So this is the observation that we get from the question before jumping to the formula. Now we got the observation, we got the visualization of the complete question. Now let's use the formula and solve the question. So in case of Jimmy, we will use the formula. In the denominator, the total output are 100 shirts. So 100 shirt will come in the denominator, and in the numerator the favorable shirt will come, that are only 88, because Jimmy is only accepting the good shirt. So the probability of Jimmy selecting the shirt is 88 by 100, that is 0.88, 88%. Got it? In the second case, we have to find the probability of Sujata accepting the shirts. Sujata is accepting 88 plus 8, that is good plus minor defected shirt, which are 96 in number. So in the numerator, the favorable condition 96 will come. In the denominator, total number of shirts, that is 100 will come. So we got our answer as 0.96, that is 96%. Sujata will accept 96% of the shirt, while Jimmy will only accept 88% of the shirt. So we have got our answers. Okay. Let's move to the next question. The question is, 2 dice, one blue and one gray, are thrown at the same time. Write down all the possible outcomes. What is the probability that the sum of the 2 numbers appearing on the top of the die is first 8, second 13, third less than or equal to 12. Till now we have done the question related to 1 dice only. Here we are having 2 dice. So be aware of it and try to solve the question. Pause the video and try to solve the question. Let's observe the question. The question is having 2 dice, one blue and one gray, and both are rolled at the same time, that is thrown at the same time. We have to find the probability that the sum of the 2 numbers appearing on the top of the die is 3 conditions are given. That is, the sum should be 8, the sum should be 13, and sum should be equal or less than 12. Firstly, let's see what are the various outcomes that we can get while throwing the 2 dice. First die is blue in color, the second die is gray in color. If we throw the 2 dice simultaneously, we will get various combinations. These are the combinations that we can get. The first one is blue die and the second one is gray die. We are getting 36 outcomes, 6 into 6. Take some time and try to observe these 36 outcomes. Okay, the question is asking about the sum of the 2 numbers appearing on the top of the die. It means that we have to add all these numbers. Let's do the addition. The addition is not required to solve the question, but I am solving this for easy understanding and to make the question more visual. Okay. Let's check the first condition. What is the probability that the sum will be equal to 8? Let's see in which condition we are getting our sum as 8. If you observe, we are getting 8 in all these 5 conditions. In these 5 conditions, we are getting our sum as 8. So in the numerator, that is in the favorable conditions, it will be 5. In these 5 conditions or in these 5 cases, we will get our sum as 8. In the denominator, we are having total 36 case. So in the denominator, it will be 36. So the answer of first question or the first part is 5 by 36. 5 because we are getting 5 cases, 36 because the total number of cases are 36. In the second part of the question, we have to find the probability when the sum is 13. If you see, none of the case is having sum as 13. The maximum sum is 12 because the maximum number on the die is 6. we are rolling 2 dice. If you get the maximum in both the case, that is 6 and 6, we will get only 12. None of the sum is 13. So on the top we will get 0. On the denominator we are getting 36. We got the answer as 0. That is no possibility of sum as 13. In the third part, we have to calculate the probability where sum is less than or equal to 12. So what are the cases in which the sum is equal to 12 and less than 12? It is all the 36 cases. Less than 12 means 1 to 11, and we are also including the 12 itself. So all the 36 cases will be applicable. In the numerator 36 will come, in the denominator again 36 will come, that is the total. We got the probability as 1, that is 100% probability. So that is the answer of all the 3 parts. So students, that's it for this lecture. We have covered all the NCERT example questions. One thing that you must be wondering, that we have not taken down the question on the cards. We have specially prepared a special lecture for the card, that is the next lecture, the probability and the card, because most of the students face difficulty in understanding the cards. So we have prepared a special lecture in which we will firstly take down the theory of the cards, then we will take down the NCERT question. The link to all the video of the probability series is given in the description. Hope you are enjoying our unique way of teaching using animation and the graphics tools. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Bye for now and have a great day. Bye bye.